Hello everyone, welcome back to this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you the target promo codes and how you can find the best target promo codes for yourself. In order to do that, you first need to come to the web browser in your PC or in your mobile device, and here you need to search for target promo code. After that, you will be able to see the first website from coupons.com. So I would recommend you to use this website as you are going to find the best promo codes out here. So you just have to simply click on this link, and here as you can see that currently 37 coupon codes are working, in which 32 are deals and 5 are online coupons. So you just have to select any of the coupons in which you are interested. So let's say I want to avail this $60 of AirPod Pro second generation coupon code. So I simply click on the get deal option. After clicking on it, it is showing me that I don't need to have the coupon code over here, and you just have to simply go to the store in order to avail this offer. Add the AirPods in your cart. After that, you just have to simply go to the checkout page, create your account if you haven't already, or log in into your account. Then you just have to simply proceed and make the payment. Now once the payment is completed, you will be able to see the $60 off coupon on the checkout. So this is how you can easily get target promo code. If this video was helpful to you, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.